Guten Tag, Klasse. Heute wir diskutieren die Schule. Kommen Sie mit.
So today, we have a lot of words to get through, so let's get started. First word you've already heard, die Schule. Die Schule, which is the school. Then we have das Klassenkamerad. Das Klassenkamerad, which is classmate. Then das Schule, which is student. Die Klasse, which is your grade level. Der Stundenplan, which is the class schedule. Das Fach, which is the subject. Some of the subjects, and I don't have a complete list, but I'm going to try to go through as many as I can possibly think of, and a few extras on top of that. We have Deutsch, it's German. Französisch, which is French. Spanish, which is Spanish. Latein, which is Latin. English, which is English. Then we have Wissenschaft, which is science. Biologie, which is biology. Germans would also shorten that to bio. Then we have Chemie, which is chemistry. Dann Physik, which is physics. Then we have Sozialkunde, which is social studies. And in social studies, you might have Geschichte, which is history. Or Erdkunde, which is geography. Then we have Religion, religion. Then we have Technik, or Informatik, which is technology and computer sciences. Mathe, or Mathematik, which is math or mathematics. we have algebra, algebra, algebra. Then we have geometry, geometry, which is geometry. Then we have calcul, calcul, which is calculus. Dann Orchester, Orchester, just orchestra. Kapelle, Kapelle, which is band. Chor, chor, which is choir. Then we have werken, werken, which is shop class. Und dann Hauswirtschaft, Hauswirtschaft, which is home economics. And then Sport, Sport, which is sport or PE. In addition to school schedules, we're going to be talking about time this section. So we have die Zeit, which is time. Wann, wann, which means when. And our question that we're going to be asking is, when do you have a class? So for example, when do you have German? Wann hast du Deutsch? Wann hast du Deutsch? And to talk about a specific time, you could say at 8 o'clock. 8 Uhr. 8 Uhr. If you wanted to specify that it's morning or afternoon, 8 Uhr am Morgen, which is 8 in the morning. Or 8 Uhr am Nachmittags, 8 in the afternoon, or 8 in the evening. The Germans, however, don't use AM or PM. On a German school and a German clock, they work on the 24-hour clock. So after 12, you would say 13 o'clock, 14 o'clock, and so on. And if you're going to give a specific time range, to say that you have German from, say, 8 to 8:45, von 8 Uhr bis 8 Uhr 45. Here are a few other phrases that we'll need for this section. Heute, which means today. Nach der Pause, which means after the break. Wir haben frei, which means we are free. And we have zuerst, zuerst, which is first. Dann, dann, which is then. danach, danach, which is after that. And finally, zuletzt, zuletzt, which is last or lastly. Okay, this is all the vocabulary words for Chapter 4, Section 1. Make sure that you have written all of these in your notes and answer the questions on Google. And I'll see you in class. Tschüss.